Imagine staring up at the night sky, marveling at the countless stars that dot the inky blackness, and wondering what secrets the universe might be hiding. Now, what if I told you that among those distant stars, scientists have discovered something so massive, so utterly mysterious, that it challenges everything we thought we knew about space? What if I told you that a colossal alien megastructure, possibly the biggest one ever detected, is hurtling toward us? This isn't a scene from a science fiction novel. This is real, and it's causing quite a stir in the scientific community. But what exactly are we dealing with here? Could this be the first solid evidence of advanced extraterrestrial life? Or is it something far beyond our current understanding? One thing's for sure: this discovery has the potential to rewrite the rules of astronomy and raise questions that humanity may not be ready to answer. The story begins with a series of strange signals, fast radio bursts, or FRBs, emanating from a distant region of space. These signals are brief, intense pulses of radio waves that can travel billions of light years. While most FRBs are attributed to natural cosmic events, one source stood out, not just because of its peculiar pattern, but because of what was found behind it. The signals were linked to a massive structure blocking out light from a distant star. This was no ordinary celestial object like a planet or an asteroid. This was something far bigger, far more complex, and it appeared to be artificial. The discovery immediately drew comparisons to a theoretical concept that has long fascinated both scientists and science fiction fans alike: the Dyson sphere. First proposed by physicist Freeman Dyson in 1960, a Dyson sphere is a hypothetical megastructure that an advanced civilization might build around a star to capture its energy. The idea is that such a civilization, having exhausted the energy resources of its home planet, would need to harness the power of its entire star to sustain itself. The result? A massive shell or swarm of satellites encircling the star, absorbing its energy output. Could this newly discovered object be a Dyson sphere? The implications are staggering. A Dyson sphere would represent a level of technological advancement far beyond anything humanity has achieved or can even comprehend. Building such a structure would require the ability to manipulate materials on an astronomical scale, not to mention an understanding of physics and engineering that far surpasses our own. The idea of a Dyson sphere isn't just science fiction, though. In recent years, astronomers have considered the possibility that some of the unusual light patterns observed in distant stars could be the result of alien megastructures. The most famous example is KIC 8462852, also known as Tabby's star. In 2015, astronomers noticed that the star's light was dimming in a way that didn't match any known natural phenomenon. One hypothesis, though far from proven, was that a Dyson sphere or some other massive structure might be orbiting the star, blocking its light. But this new discovery takes the concept to a whole new level. The object in question isn't just a distant curiosity. It's moving, and it's moving toward us. Although it's still millions of light years away, its trajectory suggests that it's slowly but steadily approaching our solar system. This raises the question: is it coming here intentionally, or is this just a cosmic coincidence? The notion of an alien megastructure moving toward Earth is both thrilling and terrifying. If this is indeed a Dyson sphere or something similar, it might not be a static construct at all. Some scientists speculate that it could be a generational spacecraft, a massive vessel designed to carry an alien civilization across the stars over thousands or even millions of years. Imagine a world so advanced that it could build a home around its star and then set it in motion, traveling through the galaxy in search of new resources or new frontiers. But why would it be heading toward us? Could the inhabitants of this structure, if there are any, be aware of our existence? And if so, what do they want? There are countless possibilities, ranging from peaceful exploration to more sinister motives. Perhaps they're seeking to expand their territory, or maybe they're looking for other intelligent life forms to interact with. On the other hand, they might see us as a threat, or worse, as a resource to be exploited. Then there's the possibility that this structure isn't a spacecraft at all, but rather an automated construction, an alien outpost, or a colossal machine designed for some unknown purpose. It could be a beacon, a harvesting station, or even a weapon. The truth is, we simply don't know. And that's what makes this discovery so compelling and so unsettling. As scientists scramble to gather more data, they're keeping all options on the table. The material composition of the structure is unlike anything we've seen before. It doesn't match any known elements found in our solar system, and its surface appears to reflect light in strange ways, almost as if it's designed to avoid detection. This has led some to speculate that it might be cloaked or equipped with advanced stealth technology, further suggesting that it was built by an incredibly advanced civilization. The potential discovery of a Dyson sphere or any alien megastructure would be one of the most significant events in human history. It would prove, once and for all, that we are not alone in the universe and that other civilizations have reached levels of technological prowess far beyond our own. But it also raises profound ethical and philosophical questions. Should we attempt to make contact with the creators of this structure, or should we keep our distance? What if they don't have our best interests at heart? Moreover, if this structure is indeed heading toward us, we need to consider the potential consequences. Could it pose a threat to Earth or our solar system? If it's a generational spacecraft or a Dyson sphere, it might be moving slowly, but that doesn't mean it's harmless. It could be gathering resources as it travels, or it might have some other purpose that we can't even begin to fathom. The discovery also reignites the age-old debate about whether we should be actively searching for extraterrestrial life. Some argue that making our presence known to a potentially more advanced civilization could be dangerous. History has shown that when civilizations with vastly different levels of technology meet, the outcomes are often disastrous for the less advanced group. But on the other hand, the pursuit of knowledge is a fundamental part of what makes us human. Understanding this megastructure and the civilization that built it could unlock secrets of the universe that we've only dreamed of. As the scientific community continues to study this object, there's no doubt that more questions than answers will emerge. We're on the brink of a discovery that could change everything we know about the universe and ourselves. Governments, too, are likely to take a keen interest in this development. While no official statements have been made, it's almost certain that space agencies and defense organizations are monitoring the situation closely. The potential ramifications of this discovery are too great to ignore. So what happens next? The world watches and waits. Telescopes around the globe are now focused on this object, gathering as much data as possible. In the coming months and years, we can expect to learn more about its composition, its movement, and its possible intentions. But for now, all we can do is speculate and prepare for the possibility that we are not alone in the universe. And now, it's over to you. What do you think this alien megastructure could be? Is it a Dyson sphere, a generational spacecraft, or something else entirely? Do you believe we should attempt to make contact, or should we remain cautious and observe from afar? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. This is a mystery that will keep us all on the edge of our seats as we await more information. If you found this video as fascinating as we did, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more updates on this and other incredible space discoveries. The universe is vast, and it's full of surprises. Who knows what we'll find next? Keep your eyes on the stars, because the biggest discovery in human history might just be on the horizon.